What's up, Cryptofam? I'm your host, Novella Nikita, and I want you to join the crypto movement. I started this series to help spread the word about cryptocurrency and to share some interesting news from the cryptosphere. Just so you know, this is not financial advice, legal advice, trading advice, or even personal advice. I'm just a girl who loves crypto and wants to share her passion with the world. My main job is creating handmade costumes and apparel and selling them on Etsy. But recently I got into trading on the crypto markets. Ever since I got into crypto, I've been researching it non-stop and talking about it everywhere I go. But through my conversations with friends and family, I've realized that a lot of people just don't really understand the world of crypto, and it tends to get a bad rap with the general public. Today I'm going to give you guys a very general introduction to the world of crypto. We'll come back to these topics more in the future, but today I just want to share some of the positives about crypto and help reduce the spread of FUD. In the crypto world, FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And it's one of the most powerful negative forces that stands in the way of crypto these days. A lot of people spread negativity about crypto, either in general or regarding specific crypto coins, in order to manipulate the market or really just discourage people from investing in crypto in the first place. In addition to FUD, there's a lot of other cool slang used in the crypto world, such as FOMO, HODL, shilling, whales, and weekends. We'll cover that in another video though. Let's get down to business. What is crypto? To put it simply, it's a digital currency that you can buy, trade, and invest in online. Speed and efficiency are part of the key appeal and goal of cryptocurrency. Sending money through traditional methods, such as wire transfers, checks, and credit card payments, can really take a long time and also incur a lot of fees. Sometimes it takes even days for the money to show up in the recipient's account. Conversely, sending money via a crypto transfer can take as little as a few minutes to a few hours. In addition to that, cryptocurrency has sophisticated safeguards to prevent hacking and theft. Even though it doesn't rely on third-party institutions or banks, it's pretty safe. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, and rather than being secured by people or trust, it's secured by math, specifically strong cryptography, aka techniques for secure communication, which is why we call it cryptocurrency. The key to this cryptographic approach is the blockchain. The blockchain is a digital ledger that allows people to have a common record of all transactions. The blockchain safeguards to keep people from lying about their purchases or buying things with money that they really don't have. Before the 2008 meltdown, a lot of people believed that big banks and governments had our best interests in mind. Banks were supposed to be responsible when it came to lending, they were supposed to keep unemployment low, and they were supposed to keep inflation low. As we know now, those promises were broken. After the banks and the markets tanked, many people lost trust in traditional financial systems, including the big banks and fiat currencies. What's a fiat currency, you may ask? A fiat currency is a currency that a government has declared to be legal tender, but it's not actually backed by any physical commodity. Back in the day, money was based on actual commodities such as silver or gold, but fiat money is based only on faith and credit in the economy. Simply put, you could think of a modern paper money that you see in most countries like the US as an IOU note. However, because fiat money is not linked to any physical reserves, it risks becoming worthless due to hyperinflation. Cryptocurrency provides an alternative to fiat money, which many people feel safer and more confident about. In addition to being faster than traditional money transfer methods, cryptocurrency has also been described by some as digital gold. A currency tied to gold generally is more stable than fiat currency because of the limited supply of gold. Similarly, Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies have a limited supply. Cryptocurrency is created through a process called mining. And no, I don't mean actual miners swinging away with pickaxes in a dark tunnel. Cryptocurrency mining is a computational process. Miners are people who use their computer hardware to calculate complex mathematical equations. Doing so secures the network through your dedicated hardware and generates more coins to be put into circulation. This process continues until each cryptocurrency has reached its cap. Bitcoin, for example, will be capped at 21 million. After that, Bitcoins will still be usable. However, no new ones will be made. Mining can be very expensive and requires special equipment and hardware, so it's not a practical choice for many everyday people. However, you can still be involved in the crypto market in other ways. One of the main ways to get involved with crypto is through online trading. This is my personal method of choice and it can be a lot of fun. Many people mistakenly believe they have to be able to afford an entire Bitcoin to get started, but you can actually buy and sell small percentages of more expensive cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So it's actually not that expensive. Really, anyone can afford a small percentage of Bitcoin. There's many online exchanges to choose from, and they're all pretty simple to sign up for and get started with. A few of the sites I like to use include Coinbase, GDAX, Binance, KuCoin, and Cryptofam. There's tons more to choose from, and we'll cover that more in the future. We've spent a lot of time talking about Bitcoin in particular. However, there are tons of different coins out there, and all these other coins besides Bitcoin are known as altcoins. Other cryptocurrencies like Litecoin and Ethereum use different cryptographic algorithms, and they have other technical differences from each other. Each coin offers something unique when it comes to safety, privacy, and efficiency. Investing in altcoins bears a strong resemblance to venture capital, since the teams behind these coins are generally startups that need funding. Each startup has exciting notions about how crypto can change the world as we know it. By investing in new coins, you're supporting innovation and creativity within the cryptosphere. That being said, not all companies will succeed, and that's a risk you take as an investor. Whenever you're considering investing in a coin, thoroughly research any coin before investing in it. Read the white paper, aka the in-depth report, get to know the team behind the coin, read any relevant news stories, and follow the coin's creators on social media. Twitter especially is a great resource when it comes to the crypto world, since many people behind the coins often make important announcements on Twitter first. I hope today's brief overview gave you guys an interesting glimpse into the world of crypto, and hopefully you're getting as excited about it as I am. I'll be back again very soon with more detailed looks at some of the stuff we covered today. If you liked today's video, please show your support by subscribing and liking the video below. Thanks again for tuning in to Tales from the Crypto.